So today we're going to make some teriyaki chicken. First I'll dice up the chicken into cubes, and you want smallish cubes because you're going to cook them in a wok. Pop them in a bowl beside you. So this is the ginger and garlic paste. I'm going to mix it with the chicken and let it marinate for 10 minutes. Give it a good mix so all the chicken is coated. Next we're going to slice the red pepper. I do quite thin slices because I like them still crunchy but cooked through. That's the pepper. Now we're going to slice the onion. Take off the bottom bits. Cut it in half and peel the outer skins off. You don't want any dried bits of onion. And then again, we're just going to slice the onion. Thinnish slices, long ways on. Take a bit and just roughly chop. So the hob's on hot, the oil's got hot in the wok, and in goes the chicken to brown it off. In go the peppers and the onion. Cook for about 2 minutes. Next we're going to add the bean sprouts and then some noodles. And we're going to mix those in. Finally, we add our sauce. Mix it all together and then let it simmer away for a couple of minutes. Last but not least, add some sesame seeds just to finish it off. Japanese teriyaki chicken.